Hello and welcome. This is Bijan Hushiar. In this video demonstration, I'm going to create this topology diagram in Packet Tracer. I need two 2911 routers. So I'm going to select networking devices in here and make sure routers are selected. Then I look for 2911 and I bring two of them to the Packet Tracer like that. If I go back to the topology diagram, I need one switch, three PCs, one server. Go back to the Packet Tracer. In order to bring switches, I select networking devices. Under subcategory, I select switches. Then I want to bring a 2960 switch to the Packet Tracer like that. Then I need to add my three PCs and one server. They are end devices. So I'm going to select this category, which is called end devices. Make sure the first item in the subcategory called end devices is selected, and then I add the three PCs that I need like that. I also need one server. This one is good enough. I'm going to take it to the Packet Tracer. Then I need to cable these devices to each other. This PC must be connected to the switch with the straight through. Switch must be connected to this router with the straight through. This second router must be connected to the server with crossover. And these two PCs are console PCs. I'll use console cable to connect them to the routers, and I connected two routers using serial interfaces. In order to go to the connection cables, I have to select the connection category, straight through, click on it, click on the PC, select fast Ethernet, click on the switch, select a fast Ethernet 01. One more time, I'll take the straight through, click on the switch, fast Ethernet 02, click on the first router, G00. Then I need a crossover. I click on crossover, click on the second router, G00, click on the server, fast Ethernet. Then I need console cables to connect these two console PCs to these two routers. Click on the console cable, click on the first PC, RS232, click on the router, console. One more time, click on the second PC, RS232, click on the second router, select console. I need to connect these two routers using serial cable. But when I inspect the routers, I notice that they do not have serial interfaces. They just have gigabit interfaces. I need to add a serial interface to them first. So I click on the router, select the physical tab, turn it off, and then select HWIC-2, click, hold, drag, and dump in that corner, and then turn it back on. Close this one. Now that I inspected, I have two serial interfaces added to this router. But the second router still doesn't have any serial interfaces. I need to do the same thing on the second router. Click on it. Make sure you are on physical tab. Turn it off. Select HWeak-2T. Click, hold, drag, dump in that corner. If you dump it in that corner, it will become serial 000 and serial 001. If you put them in the other base, the number will change. We want them to be serial 000 and serial 001, so we put them in that corner. Turn your router on. Close this one. Inspect your router. You have added two serial interfaces. Now we can connect these two routers using this cable, which is a serial cable, and it has a clock sign on one side. Click on it. Click on the first router, select serial 00. Click on the second router, select serial 00. If you notice, some of the lights are still red. It's because we haven't configured the interfaces. We need to configure that interface, this interface, that interface, that one, in order for the links to come back on. Let me label these devices, and then in the next video, I show you how to configure. If you notice, there is no text is displayed. It's because I have already selected options, preference, only show link lights and show port label when mouse over it in the logical workspace. If I want to add labels myself, I select this item in the second toolbar, which is called Place Node. Click on it. Click over here. Call this one R1 _ edge. Click over here. Call this one R2 _ ISB. Let me double check my topology to make sure I'm naming them correctly. I'm labeling them correctly. Okay, I should reverse that. This is local PCB, this is web server. Go back to the packet tracer. Let me fix that. Make sure you select the pointer or select, click on it, and then you can modify it. R1, do the same thing over here, ISB _ R2. The 2911 that I put underneath, it's the model of the router. I can add it in here for you. I can add it in there for you as well. Okay. And then select the place node and call this PC local PC1, local PC1, web server is this one. And then I'm going to label these ports. The important ones are the ones attached to the router. So this one is G00. This one is also G00. This one is serial 000. It happened to be the DCE. This other one is serial 000 as well. Rearrange them, make them look nicer. Okay. And you can label this one NIC over there, and label those two ports also based on whatever ports you have connected to them. Okay, these are just labels, okay, that you are adding yourself. It doesn't mean that you have configured anything, but they have to be accurate. I have, I think I've named these two console PC1 and console PC2. Let me double check. Admin1 and admin2. Admin1, admin2. And these ports are RS-232. Capital. RS-232 over there. And this happened to be the console port. Okay, let me rearrange them to make them look a little bit nice. Okay. And then this switch has a name. And then this switch has a name. What did we name it? We named it local switch 1. Local switch 1. All right. I have completed creating the topology, but I haven't configured any devices. I have to assign IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway to this PC, to that PC. I have to configure G00 of both routers. I have to configure serial 000 of both routers as well, in order for these link lights to come up. And then I need to further configure them to create a route to allow packets from this PC to reach the web server. This is how you create the topology. Let me see if I have completed everything. Let me put the network addresses 192.168.1, 209.110, 209.114, 30. Okay, so this network is the network of 192.168.10/24. This other network, some more space here. This middle network is 209.110/30. This third network is address 209.114/30. Let me rearrange them a little bit to make them look nicer. And I can also add what you call it, borders around all these networks, like this. This is one network. Okay, can create another one. When you put borders, it will be just black. It doesn't show any color. This is another network. And this is your third network. Now I have completed the topology diagram. You don't have to put the borders. I just put it in order for the students to be able to see the different networks. This completes this part of the demonstration. On the next video, I'll demonstrate how to start configuring the routers. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and you found it informative, please don't forget to recommend it to others who may be interested. Thank you.